stand tall, they're sprawling side by side. Chirp of birds calls out from morning's haze. A vivid garden alive where children play. Longsokangthu, yeah, yeah, Longsokangthu, yeah, yeah, ooh, ooh. Longsokangthu, yeah, yeah, Longsokangthu, yeah, yeah, ooh, ooh, ooh. Rivers carve through rocks where currents slide. Smooth stones wask where waters often hide. Islands heartbeats with peace cool as shade. Flowing calm like the stories that we've made. Longsokangthu.